You can actually see the pasta itself gets bigger. See that? Today we're going to do pasta e piselli, just like pasta with broccoli. It's just like pasta fazool. They're all really, really basic. Onion, Pecorino Romano. Okay, we got nice peas right there. Olive oil, extra virgin to finish it. Okay, we'll talk pasta for 1 second. I'm going to use tubetti. Okay, you can use ditalini, small elbows, small shell. Works well with a small one, but it doesn't have to be a small one. You can also do russo, okay? You can do red, so you just add a little tomato to it. If you want to kick it up, do some pancetta, do some anchovy in the beginning, stuff like that, and we're going to get to it right now.
All right, we're going to chop an onion. Pretty small dice. Nothing has to be exact here. Showing off Pecorino Romano Locatelli brand. This is my favorite type of cheese, but you can use other cheeses like Parmigiano Reggiano or Grana Padano. I'm gonna do like a medium grating. If you want finer, go finer. Heavier, it's fine too. It's all fine. All right, we're gonna talk pasta for a second. So, using tubetti, which is very similar to ditalini. Small shells would work here. Cracked spaghetti, elbows. I'm going to use half a pound. So in the description, it links to the recipe for full pound. Everything has just been halved for this recipe. Okay, we're going to light and we're going to coat the bottom of the pan. With olive oil, get our onions in. We want them translucent, so we're going to cook on medium-low, roughly, for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're going to add those peas in, cook them for another minute. Then we're going to add a ladle of pasta water, which is from our half-cooked pasta. Give it a stir, a little pepper. I'm going to adjust my flame to medium, maybe a little bit higher. Okay, Pasta Spider, great tool to have. It allows you to get the pasta out, which we're doing now at the halfway point. We're going to finish the pasta in the pasta water, onion, and pea mixture. It's going to impart a lot of flavor, a lot more flavor than if we just boiled the pasta straight. And that's basically what I'm explaining now, and I'm telling you that you have to add ladles of pasta water at a time. Yep, I'm just going to mix it around, keep it going. As it evaporates, I'll add another ladle if I want. Right now I'm just showing you that pasta is not cooked yet. And just tipping it, pointing it to the camera. It's looking good, but it's definitely not ready yet. So that's I'm waving my hands around. And yeah, I'm going to grab another ladle. So it just takes a bunch of ladles. I like to do it this way. Instead of adding a lot of liquid right away, then you don't know if you put too much in. And I'm using straight pasta water here. Some people will do this with chicken stock, which is nice too. And it's getting that starchiness, it's starting to thicken up. It's absorbing it. Yeah, it's looking good. It's almost done. Alright, so that's it. This is a simple dish, and it just needs a few things, that I think. You don't have to add extra virgin olive oil. I like to. And that's what I'm doing now. Just a drizzle. I wouldn't cook with this type of oil. This is way too good of an oil. It's an amazing olive oil. And then I'm going to take some of the grated Pecorino Romano. I'm going to put it on, and you can serve the remainder on the table or serve the block with a grater. People love to grate it on themselves. Hot red pepper on the side. All right, and that's pretty much it. Just mixing it. And it's ready to go. If you like it's more soupy, add a little bit more pasta water. I like it like this.
Hope you enjoyed it. Real simple one. This is Italian American or Italian cooking. It's simple stuff. I mean, there's nothing to it. You know, you saw I used a couple fancy ingredients, but you don't even need to use that extra virgin olive oil. It'll still be great. You truly don't. Like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Check out my website where there's over 130 recipes just like this. And you know, let me know if there's anything you want me to make. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.